It has been decades since the last praiseworthy Toyota sports car rolled off the assembly line, and this explains why many believe that Toyota is out of touch when it comes to producing a good performance vehicle. On a positive note, Toyota has preached about returning to their sporty ways from the 90s by bringing out more high-powered vehicles. The company is already piecing together the next-gen Supra, and they have also brought out the Yaris GRMN. The latter is produced in limited numbers and only for the European market, but is it a car worth commanding? To find out for sure, you can check out Auto Express' full take on the Yaris GRMN in the video below. All we can say is that the near future looks exciting for Toyota.